How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this super cool Kawasaki Z300 ABS. This one is a 2015 on a 15 plate. It's only done 11,913 miles. It's a really cool bike. I've just brought it in as a part exchange, and as you can see, it's had a little bit of money spent on it. So 2015, it's got the carbon mudguard, MRA screen, it's got the radiator guard, R&G protection, you've got billet levers, you've got some billet bar ends, some cool MotoGP grips, you've got fully adjustable rear sets, you've got the Lextek exhaust, tail tied in, mini indicator. It's got everything on it. The chap who's had this has spent a small fortune on it, as you can see. It's going to have to make it gear indicator there, digital display, analog rev counter, and like I said, you've got your ABS in the top right hand corner. Popular little bike these, they call them little mini Z800. You can ride them on an A2 license as well, and this one sounds fantastic. I'm sure you've just listened to it in the promo video. So if you do want to get it bought, they're a hell of a lot of bike for the money. Like I said, you can ride these on an A2 license, and they still look funky. So if you do want it, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just give us a call. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call. We can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.